And it's my fault, this, I call it on him woman, Because if he knows say I saw the woman stay, he shouldn't care our woman. Now it cause a problem with me and Luna. Now Luna want to know everything about me. I'm not them type of man there.
I'm so confused. I really don't know what to do. I don't know if I love the idea of him because I really and truly don't know him. I don't know anything about him. How can I love somebody that I don't know anything about?
I have to remain clandestine. Can't make sure no. No, but she's smart. She's going to find out eventually. No, I'm going to call her. Call her and she come over and we talk.
Wonder if I should just answer his call. But answering the call still won't help you to decide. Wonder if I should just leave him and forget all of this.
Don't say goodbye. Don't make me cry. Oh, fading again, but I won't give in to you.
You know, sir, I feel very uncomfortable right now.
Raymond, that look good? You come through the door with bun and cheese, that look good?
I want to bun and cheese. Me alright with it, you know. I eat for the last 2 weeks.
So why you eat for the last 2 weeks? You have a key, there's the stove, there's the fridge, full of food. Or you forget say you go supermarket before I left here.
Clearly you forget say you did come back. Not to mention, bun and cheese by now seem like a normal thing for a man like me.
What you mean a man like you?
Well, I mean, a man who not really have a woman in his life. Sometimes him have to just draw for bun and cheese and yeah, comfortable with it, you know what I mean?
Oh, so you got jokes. Just because I spend an extra week, remember you did spend your extra week too. Raymond, remember say I work with Depan. This don't look good. It make you look like you not have no woman in your life.
Explain to me. Oh, if you have a woman in my life and she gone. Oh, if I have a woman in my life, me don't know where she there, what she do, when she come back, if she alright. That sound like single man life.
Well, Mr. Raymond Savage, you're not single. This no look good. So don't do it again.